recording. Oil's clean. So literally first deep hole I hit, I flipped over backwards. Somehow didn't get water in the oil, thanks to my awesome crankcase mod. But I don't have a rear brake right now, and I have a swing arm stretch, which totally changed the balance point. Dylan's machine got sunk a couple times. RIP to that 520 top end. I'll get it running soon. But yeah, absolute crazy ride. You guys are going to love the footage. We rode around Rancho for like 10 hours straight.
Yeah! 300s!
Yes, sir! So this Rubicon 520 right here did really well, other than us sinking it a few times. It's got 4 Demon axles on it, and previously it's gone through a lot of axles, but no problem today, even with these heavy Outlaw 2s. Unfortunately, he doesn't have a lift on the back right now, so with a passenger and a cooler and a tiger tail, the back was squatting a lot, and it kind of got hung up in some of the ruts. Even though my machine's on solid rear axle, I have 32s, I was able to crawl through it a little better. But again, not having a passenger is a big difference.
Yeah!
You're good, you're good.
You got it. Let that sidewall bite. Yeah!
I think I made it through there easier than he did though.
No! I told you there's a hole there. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh shit. Just throw it on.
I got it.
Oh, dude. Nobody fuck up because my circle gun go under. Yeah! Left though, it gets better to the left. This is our favorite clay hole right near the washout. Aiden was able to get through the middle of it with me pushing him a little bit, but you know, the heavier Rubicon, once that thing got stuck, there was no pushing it out.
Hell yeah!
Oh, tiger tail. Oh shit. Great. There you go. I just gotta lean this way.
You're good.